Namaste and welcome to my channel. Now, I'm going to teach you a breathing exercise, hands in and out breathing. For this practice, sit comfortably, head neck spine erect, stretch your hands in front of your chest and join the palms. Inhaling, separate your hands, expand your chest and synchronize your breathing with the movement of your hands. Then exhaling slowly and slowly bring the hands in front of the chest and join the palms. Inhaling, apart your hands, expand the chest. Exhaling, slowly come to the center. Again, inhaling apart, breathe slowly. Then exhaling, slowly come to the center. You can do 3 to 5 rounds. For better result, do this practice twice a day, morning and evening. This practice is very good for the asthma or any breathing problem. It helps to improve your lung capacity, increase the oxygen level, and it helps to relax your body and mind. Thank you very much.